Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 2 from Chapter 1 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have a car traveling at 33 meters per second. We need to calculate the speed in kilometers per hour and then tell if it's greater than 90 kilometers per hour. Okay, so we can make a list of what is known. And we know the speed is 33 meters per second. Okay, so we need to find out how many kilometers per hour that is. Okay, we start out with the 33 meters per second. We'll set it equal to itself. And then we can start converting. In 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters. And there are 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. I did this computation. I got 118.8 kilometers per hour. Keeping 2 sig figs, we'll put it in scientific notation so that it's not ambiguous. And we get 1.2 times 10 squared kilometers per hour. Okay, that's what we needed to find for part A. And now in part B, we just need to tell if that is exceeding, and yes, it is. So we can say yes, it is exceeding 90 kilometers per hour. It's at 120. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.